Welcome to Law Family. This video is helpful to the law students and newly practicing young advocates only. Today, we discuss about the sections 356, 1 and 2 of BNS Act 2023. Corresponding law is sections 499 and 500 of IPC. Defamation. This section requires three essentials. One is ingredients. One is making or publishing any imputation concerning any person. Second one is such imputation must have been made by words, either spoken or intended to be read, or by signs or by visible representations. Third one is such imputation must have been made with the intention of harming, with knowledge or reason to believe that it will harm the reputation of the person concerning whom it is made. Difference between criminal and civil defamation. The criminal defamation, the criminal liability is governed by provisions of BNS Act 2023 and by those provisions alone.
The civil defamation. The civil liability is governed by a defamatory statement is one that is untrue and tends to lower the person's reputation in the eyes of society. It is a civil wrong that causes harm or injury to another person's reputation and is handled under civil or tort law to provide a remedy to the injured party, typically through monetary damages paid by the person who made the defamatory statement. Difference between a criminal case and a civil suit founded upon libel is a difference not merely of form but is one of substance. That is, civil law aims to compensate the victim, where criminal law aims to punish the offender and deter future crimes. The section 356 of BNS Act 2023 do not place any unreasonable restrictions on freedom of speech or expression, and therefore section 356 is not violative of Article 99 of Constitution. Constitution does not grant immunity from all punishment of abuse of freedom of speech. The term defamation includes both libel and slander.
Good defense of defamation is: one is comments to be fair. Second one is it must be based on facts truly stated. Third one is it must not contain imputations of corrupt or dishonorable motives on person whose conduct or work is criticized. Fourth one is it must be honest expressions of writer's real opinion. Fifth one is whoever fills public position must accept attack as necessary, though unpleasant appendage of this office. Unpleasant appendage to his office. Sixth one is accused must firstly honestly believe his imputation to be true. Secondly, he must honestly make it from a sense of duty to himself. He must not exaggerate or say unnecessary things. He must not make his duty the cover of the spreading libel. Seventh one is questions for enquiry in such cases will be whether accused had reasonable grounds for believing imputations to be true and for believing that it was necessary for his safety to give publicity to them.
Burden lies on accused person to make out that his case comes within any of the exceptions. Important point. It is enough if witnesses are agreed in substantial measure on the words of imputation uttered, for it is not possible even for most honest witnesses to reproduce every such word or expression. In order to establish good faith and bona fides, it has to be seen
The circumstances under which imputations was made or published. Second one is whether there was any malice. Third one is whether accused made any enquiry before he made allegations. Fourth one is whether there are reasons to accept the version that he acted with care and caution, whether there is a preponderance of probability that the accused acted in good faith.
a judge can file complaint under Section 356 of BNS Act 2023 for defamatory allegations relating to him through such statement also constitutes offense of contempt of court. Section 356(2) punishment shall be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years, or with fine, or with both, or with community service. 356(3) whoever prints or engraves any matter, knowing or having good reason to believe that such matter is defamatory of any person, shall be punished with simple imprisonment, may extend it to 2 years, or fine, or with both. 356(4) whoever sells or offers for sale any printed or engraved substance containing defamatory matter, knowing that it contains such matter, shall be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend it to 2 years, or with both, or with fine. Lastly, victims simultaneously file a civil suit and criminal complaint in a defamatory case to seek financial compensation for the damages caused for personal reputation, and in criminal complaint is filed which can lead to imprisonment and fines for the accused. This video is purely theory. The Honorable Court decides each case on merits. Thank you.
Thank you.